Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have something just a little bit different, just like a little bit different. So today I'm going to be redoing my room. Also peep the Katie McKenzie merch, which y'all should go buy. So today I'm going to be making one of those collage walls. Now these collage walls are very popular. I've seen them all over YouTube, all over Instagram. A lot of people have been making them recently. So there's a lot of kits that you can buy online. However, I ain't about that. I'm all about making it myself. And I also don't want to be sticking a bunch of things to walls. So yeah, I have a Polaroid wall here and I love it a lot. It's got a lot of great memories on it. Some of my best friends are on it. But I am currently looking for something to put on some of the other walls in my room, mostly because I want to be able to change up the angles a little bit when I'm filming these videos so that it's not just a view of my Polaroid wall and my Chanel painting. And I don't know if y'all can see, but I quite literally only have a painting behind me. And so eventually I want to be able to sit down on my sofa, film YouTube videos. So what I'm going to plan on doing is replacing this painting, moving this painting somewhere else, and filling this entire wall with pictures. I bought 3 canvases from Michael's. It was about 10 bucks, not even. 10 bucks for 3 of these bad boys. What I'm going to be doing is placing them all along my wall with about 2 inches of space in between them. So what I've done already is I've gone on Pinterest and I've selected about I think 140 images and I printed them all off. CVS right now has a deal where it ends on the 2nd where all photos are 50% off. So this was really nice because it was a like $30 order and it only ended up being $15. So it was great. So I printed a bunch of images. Hopefully there's enough images to cover all of these. If not, I'll just have to print them out. And then I also ordered from Michael's some glossy Mod Podge and some glitter. What I'm planning on doing is covering all the pictures, once glued down, covering all the pictures in Mod Podge with a little bit of glitter to give it a really glossy and glittery look. I feel like that would just be perfect and fit the theme of my room. Hopefully this goes well. Hopefully you'll like this. I'm sorry, I'm looking a little bit rough right now. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and head over to CVS and then hopefully my Michael's order is ready, but I did get a notification that my pictures were ready, so we're just gonna head over there. I'm gonna take you with me with my phone. Okay guys.
Sorry.
Okay guys, so I'm here with my little sister JJ. And we're about to go into CVS to go pick up the pictures. Alrighty guys, so we just got back from CVS. I paid $15.16 for 130 photos. And these are 4x6s and they are glossy. And they look like crap. It literally looks so bad. Photographer standpoint, like these look so bad. They're 4x6s. They shouldn't look pixelated. Kind of disappointing, really disappointed in you, CVS. Well, we'll make it work. It's a make it work moment, am I right? So now we're heading to Michael's. Michael's hasn't actually let me know that my order is done yet, but I also don't know when they're gonna let me know. So we're gonna go ahead and head over to the local Michael's and yeah, we might get some Starbucks along the way. Alrighty guys, so I am back from Michael's and CVS and I have all the supplies for this project. So the first thing I have is about 150 pictures. CVS is really great if you're gonna order pictures. They're around 15 cents if you have like a coupon. So they're 15 cents each. So this was only about $14. So yeah, I mean, yeah, it was about $15. So I have a bunch of pictures. Michael's had a sale on canvases. So 3 canvases. The size I got was 18 by 24. This was only $10.99. So for 3 of them, it was crazy. So then the other things that I got to add to my project is some iridescent glitter. Oh my gosh, that is a total scam. Like, look at that. Half of it's air. But I got some iridescent glitter and I also got some Mod Podge. This is in the gloss. First thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open up this package And then the next thing is I'm going to lay these out and try to figure out how exactly I want the pictures to be laid out on the canvases. So let's go ahead and open this. I have no nails. It's been a while. So Michael's right now is doing curbside delivery. However, I waited at Michael's for like 3 hours and they did not do my order until right after I left the store. So, you know, it's fine. But I just ended up going into the store instead because I was sick of waiting. And I have a video to upload. And I wasn't sure if it was even going to be done within the first day. So here we have 3 canvases. So 1, 2, 3. One of them's still wrapped in plastic. So I'm just going to set these on my floor. I actually have 4 canvases that I can use, but I'm not sure if I will. But if I do, I'll have 4 canvases instead of 3. But I do have an extra one from my Chanel painting project that I just never painted. Maybe I should paint Prada. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think I should do with the extra canvas. Okay guys, so I have my canvases laid out on the floor. Sorry, it's a little bit messy. I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of take the pictures and just like line them up, set them up how I want them. Okay guys, so I just finished putting all of the pictures on the canvases and I still have a ton of pictures left. However, I do like how I had extra pictures because first thing that I did was I went through all the pictures that I had and I just kind of put them spread out on like which canvas I thought it would look good on and tried to do the same sort of group of pictures for each of the canvases. But eventually I ended up seeing that I missed a lot of pictures and I ended up just like switching a few out every once in a while. If I had like a duplicate or something that even looked similar, I tried to switch it out. So now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking Mod Podge or glue depending on what works best, and I'm just going to be gluing everything down. And then once I glued everything down, I'm probably going to do a top coat of Mod Podge gloss. Once that dries down, I will be doing another coat of Mod Podge, maybe another depending on what I feel like it looks and like what I see fit. And then after that, I will probably be adding some glitter to the Mod Podge just so that there's a little bit of a sparkle to it because I think that would be really cute and it helps blend them all together. After that, I will probably finish off with another top coat of Mod Podge just to make sure all the glitter is set in place. So the process is fairly simple. What I did was I laid out the pictures on the canvases and I essentially just like tried to figure out how it was gonna work, what pictures I was gonna use per canvas, and with a brush I glued down the pictures in the order that I put them down. It's a little bit difficult. You can't really glue them all down at once. What you have to do is you have to like kind of go and like see which picture's under which picture, and it's just a little bit of like a process, and it took more time than even figuring out what I was gonna do in the first place. But I really liked how they turned out, So I don't know. So once I glued all of them down, I simply covered them in Mod Podge, which gives it a nice shiny finish. And then after covering it in Mod Podge, I did a Mod Podge glitter mix. So I poured a little bit of glitter in a cup with some Mod Podge, and I just brushed it on just as like you would acrylic resin cover. And that's kind of the look I was going for. I honestly love how it turned out. It was really easy, really simple. So yeah. Alrighty guys, so that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched all the way to the end, make sure you comment if you're going to do the project or not, what you think. It's really easy. I had a fun time doing it. It's something you can do if you're bored in quarantine. So